Good morning, students. Today we are discussing the paper SEC 4A MySQL, the program for BSc course, Computer Science 6th semester. And in this today's session, we will discuss regarding about the syllabus of MySQL and introduction of MySQL, difference between SQL versus SQL Star Plus. Myself, Dr. Halapal Prithviraj, Assistant Professor, Government First Grade College, Chilguppa. Let me start the syllabus. In SQL SEC syllabus, we have two units. The first unit have the following content, that is SQL versus SQL plus, SQL commands and data types, operators and expressions, introduction to SQL Star Plus, managing tables and data, creating and altering tables, including the constructions, data manipulation commands like insert, update, etc. Select statement with where, group by, and having, ordered by, and distant. Special operators like in, any, all, between, exist, link, and join. Built-in functions and other database objects, views, index, synonymous. In next second unit, we have transition control statements, commit, rollback, save point, introduction to PLSQL and SQL versus PLSQL, PLSQL block structure, language constructed of the PLSQL, variables, basic data types and composite data types, condition statements and loopings, etc. Type and row type also. Using cursor, implicit and explicit, we can able to be learn here. Now, let me understand the blueprint of SEC, that is a skill enhancement course paper setting. In this paper, we have two units and two units are bifurcated in such a way. The first unit have 2 marks, 2 questions, 5 marks, 1 question, 10 marks, 2 questions. And in second unit, we have 2 marks, 3 questions, 5 marks, 2 questions, and 10 marks, 1 question. Now, let me see the question paper pattern. Here in SEC question paper, we have the 3 sections and the sections are A, B, C. The first section, that is section A, have the 5 questions of 2 marks. We have to solve all 5 questions to get 10 marks. In section B, we have 3 questions of 5 marks. Among them, we have to answer any 2 to get the 10 marks. In section C, we have the 3 questions of 10 marks. Among them, we have to answer any 2 questions to get the 20 marks. Means here, total we are going to score 40 marks in the theory paper. And if we are going to talk about the more 10 marks, that involves the internal examination which is going to be conducted in the college. And the internal examination have the practical session on the SQL. When you are appearing the practical session of internal, you are getting 10 marks. Totally, we are going to score 50 marks in this paper. And if you want to solve this paper, in theory, you have only 2 hours. Within 2 hours, we have to solve all 40 questions. Now, move forward. Let me understand the introduction part of the SQL. Let me know, first of all, what is SQL? Here, SQL stands for Structural Query Language. Here it's called Structural Query Language. SQL is a query language which is used for communication with Oracle server to access and modify the data. So now, Who is going to be discovered this one? Here we are seeing that IBM invented the SQL language. It has been adopted by the ISO and ANSI. Here ISO means International Standard Organization and ANSI means American National Standard Institute. These two organizations are going to be adopted the SQL language. SQL is used to ask the query for the table. Query means the questions. On the basis of that, we can able to access the data from the table. It involves the DML, DDL, DCL commands to solve the query in SQL. Now here the DML, DDL and DCL commands we are going to be discussing another sessions. SQL is always executed on the database server. We should know this is very carefully because without the server we can't able to be execute the SQL queries. Now SQL uses RDBMS. RDBMS means Relational Database Management Systems like MySQL database is there, Oracle database is there, MS Excel database server is there and CBAS servers is there. So on the databases are available. Let me know about the another SQL, advanced SQL that we are going to be called the SQL Star Plus. Here the SQL Star Plus is an interactive program that allows you to type in and execution SQL statement. It also enables you to type in PL SQL code and send it to the server to execute. SQL Star Plus is one of the most common front end user to develop and create a standard PL SQL functions and products. SQL Star Plus is a command line tool. It does not involve DDL commands, DML commands, DCL commands like in SQL. Now, if we are in a window environment and your database server is somewhere in the network, so the following thing will be happen. SQL Star Plus transfer your SQL query over the network on the database server. SQL Star Plus wait for the reply from the database server. The database server executes the query and transmit result to the SQL Star Plus. Then the SQL Star Plus displays the query result on the computer screen. If you are not running in a network window environment, then the same thing happens. The only difference might be that the database server and SQL Star Plus is running on the same physical machines. Now, let me understand the difference between the SQL and SQL Star Plus. SQL is a language, but SQL Star Plus is a tool. SQL is a query language used for the communication with Oracle server to access and modify the data. SQL Star Plus is a command line tool which you can send the SQL query to the server. Also, it can help you to format the query result. SQL is invented by the IBM. SQL Plus Star Plus is a tool to use the SQL language for the data base from Oracle Corporation. See the difference. IBM is discovered for the SQL, but accessing the SQL language through the SQL Plus, the Oracle Corporation is going to be supported. SQL can be simplified, used to ask the queries. That is, it involves the DML, DDL and DCL commands. But in SQL Star Plus is command line tool which does not involve the DML, DDL and DCL commands. In SQL, there is no continuation character, but in SQL Plus there is a continuation character. Keywords cannot be abbreviated in the SQL. Keyword can be abbreviated in the SQL Plus. See the difference? Cannot be and can be. So, SQL uses functions to manipulate the data. SQL Star Plus uses commands to manipulate the data. In SQL, we are using the functions to manipulate the data. But in Star Plus, we are using commands to manipulate the data. These are the major difference we should be understand when we are using the SQL and SQL Star Plus. So in this session, we learn about the syllabus of the SQL, as well as we know the introduction part of the SQL as plus the SQL Star Plus and the difference between the SQL and SQL Star Plus. For your reference, we have these books you can refer for the higher educations. Thank you very much.